Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Fontana hybrid oven as a countertop install. If this is a new unit, simply remove the box, the plastic, and take all the components out of the inside, making sure that you find your riser feet. These are highly important. So for the next step, to install them, I simply lift up, place a block or something underneath so that I have access to the threaded nuts, which are in the front corners as well as the rear corners. Install your provided feet by screwing them in place. You want to make sure that in this video you can see the oxygenation ports, and those need to be free and clear from all directions so that it can oxygenate properly. It is imperative that you install these feet and place your oven on a non-combustible countertop. This is the proper installation for countertop install of a hybrid Fontana oven. If you're switching from a cart to countertop install, make sure that you find your feet. If you don't have them, contact us. We'll send you a set. But I hope this helps, and I hope you enjoy.